EP hosting the whole of Lagos. He here but that one. He here but that one. Money now, tsunami.
Cubana Chief Priest's new restaurant in Lagos is the hottest now on ground. Like massive celebrities, everybody just keep coming back to enjoy themselves and just have a good time. Poco was back again to Cubana Chief Priest's restaurant called the Donors. This is a massive one. Poco is one of like the happiest people I've ever met. Like the guy is always smiling, he's always laughing. The guy vibe, him and Cubana Chief Priest just be like Aki and Popo. Their vibe together is just super funny. Poco in the house anywhere where bell ring, Poco they there, and just why that is one of the things we love about him. The guy is always happy, just having fun, vibing, and just hyping Cubana Chief Priest and his new restaurant. They turned the lounge of the restaurant into a club last night as they were seen vibing, dancing. Rahman Jago was also present. Cubana Chief Priest was just serving them different kind of meal as they were just having fun and enjoying themselves. Cubana Chief Priest has taken the Owerri to Lagos and is giving them the Owerri vibes, the Owerri foods, the whole food to Lagos people, and they are just super enjoying themselves. Okay guys, I'll be sharing with you how the whole thing went down. Drop a comment below, talk what you think about it, like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
EP hosting the whole of Lagos. He here but that one. He here but that one. Money now, tsunami. Hosting the whole of Lagos. You see it. CP! Baba no read medicine, no. But he get A1 for hospitality. I see the sian. Says. Yeah, but that one. No let them waste. No let them waste. Yeah, but that one. I go to Napa. Saika. He say I psychiatric. Also, I say mama feel with the dummy wo. I put you spend you any. Becky, my son, me penny kenny. Nah. Oble. I'm gonna do better. Odo. Nalayo. Nalayo. What's that? Sudoilande. Azutala. Banana masuze. Banana zimnove. Butu nove. Azutala. Banana zimnove. Imanana masuze. Butu nove. Don't let that waste. CP1 no. Hey. Yeah, daddy. I'm gonna love you now. Drop out, now you get down. You don't walk, you have to drop. Hey. Don't know, number 1, 247. Hey, let's go. Oh yeah, 1, 2, hey, 1, hey, 1, 2, 3. Nalayo. Hey, whoa. Upwa. Chubaya. Upwa. Nalayo. Their body, start to the put up for their body. Oh yeah, now put up for their body. Start to the put up for their body. Put up for their body. Make it put up for their body. Better active. I see the stuff. I go lie for you. Never to lie. What's it? Hey, Jago! Oh, what do you Jago? Did you have real life? People don't love me, I don't know. What did I go? What is that Jago? Gonna go to Jago. Gonna TV Jago. What do you do with Jago? Say, I'm late. Don't reach with Jago. I know. Hey, Jago. Hey, Jago. Their body, start to the put up for their body. Oh yeah, now put up for their body. Start to the put up for their body. Put up for their body. Make it put up for their body. Better active. I see the stuff. I go lie for you. Never to lie.